Hey everyone, so it's that time of the month again where I got my Simply Gilded box. This is for the month of October, and it's Divine. This is what the box looks like. I took out the mystery item. I will show that at the end. So volume 36, here's the back. Pretty as always. So now when we open it, you pull out all the pretties. Okay, so that box I'm going to set there. And here's the pins because they're right here. Get this beautiful butterfly one. There's little sparkles in it. And the engraved bow on top. And then you get a micro perm. I believe we've gotten these ones before. I'd have to look in my pins. I think... Oh, okay, so maybe it's a different size. Let's see. Okay, so we've gotten a 3 and a 5 before, and this one's a 1. So I think that's the size difference. See how small that is? And then these are the 3 and the 5. So yeah, okay. So it's a micro perm, only this one's super tiny. So that's awesome. Glad it's different. This is the B6 stitched notebook. Stickers. Okay. I think I opened the box upside down. Okay. So here's a little menu card. Everything you get. Here's the washi tape. I will wait till the last to open that. And oh look, there's a different design on this one. Instead of the little bows, they're the zodiac signs, or the stars. Can't remember what they're called. And the journaling card. So cute. The foil in a really pretty dark blue. And these are the vinyl stickers. These are really fun. And if you don't want to use them as stickers, you can always put like a little double-sided piece of tape and stick them on and then reuse them. You can also use this back. That's really pretty as well. So here's this one. A butterfly. 2 butterflies. Really pretty colors this month. I love it. And a cute little cat. And then some crystals. Really, really pretty. And then these are the Vellum sticky notes. And Vellum, if you guys don't know, it's almost like a see-through, if you can see that. It's like a see-through paper. They're really, really pretty. Has a really pretty design on it, so those are really awesome. And I think that's why we got the micro perm. I don't know, I haven't been keeping up on stories or anything, but I thought I saw a glimpse of that one. And then this is the Vellum and acetate paper, which you can make dashboards out of, or anything you want. If you guys do DIY planners, this is perfect. So here's the Vellum. Again, it's that more see-through kind, if you can hear it. Really, really pretty. And then here's the acetate. It has that same design as on the package to the washi. Really pretty, and you can put that over it or do whatever you want. And then put your insert inside, and then put it inside of your planner. That'd be really pretty. Simple like that. Super fast, and you can always reuse it. These are the stickers. I'll open that in a minute. And here's the pouch this month. Really pretty color. It almost matches the Colorstreet nails that came out for Thanksgiving. I'll have to grab them. Hold on. Okay, so I grabbed these out because they look the same to me, but I guess they're kind of a different shade. And when I look closer, they're different. But that came out for Thanksgiving, and I thought it was the same color. If you're interested in these, I sell them. The links are down below. They are 100% real nail polish, and you just peel and stick to your nail, and they can last up to 10 days. But back to the pouch, I thought it was the same color. So this time it has a little divider inside. There's this side and then this side. And she put 2 little things on the side if you want to turn it into like a little handbag. So that's awesome. So now back to the stickers. Let's see. Always jam-packed full of stickers. That's always fun. So here's these ones. They say work, home, and play. These are the icon, or the date dots, I mean. Look how pretty that is. I always call this the sampler, but it's just a little sticker one. It's got the pretty moon up here again. Here are the seals. I love these neutral colors. The Blush Baby collection would go really good with these ones. Here's one page. I love these ones. And that butterfly is beautiful. Butterflies are one of my favorite things. Butterflies and dahlias. So really, really awesome. And then the washi tape. It's like everybody's favorite. I know mine is. And another thing I thought I caught a glimpse of was this is the new Galaxy set, like number, like whatever. There's like, I don't know, 19 or something out, I think. So I think technically this was the new one. I thought I caught that much at least. And this is the 5mm add-on. Really, really pretty. I love those darker blues with the neutral colors. And this is the main one. Let's see. So here we go. It's supposed to be the new Galaxy set. You can always try and get these in a double dip or on the selling websites. This is really, really beautiful. I'm so excited I got this one. And this butterfly matches the pen as well. So that's awesome. So yeah, I'm going to have to get everything together for a picture and start posting. This is beautiful. Again, if you're interested in Colorstreet, let me know and I can send out samples or you can shop my website. Here's the 5mm again. Really, really pretty. And yeah, so now I'm going to get the mystery item. So if you don't want to see, thank you for joining. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. So alright, here it comes. Here is the mystery item. It is a moon with a little bow on it, and it's a pin, meaning you can stick it into something, and that's what it is. So you can put it on your bag, a hat, a purse, a mask, I mean literally anything. And the little bow is cute. So there it is. Mystery item. It's about, I would say an inch maybe. So it's not too big. Here's the pin. It's about half of the lid for comparison. The 5mm washi. So it's, I mean, it's pretty little. So it's really cute. I'm happy with it. I'll keep it. So, any questions? Let me know down below. Have a great day. Bye.